Good morning, my friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. Top Democrats in Congress are now pushing to use the budget reconciliation process to pass the Build Back Better bill. This means that they would not need to gain any Republican support on the bill. And President Biden is now debating on whether he should expand monthly benefit checks permanently. So dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video for all of the details. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway.
Rising gas prices. In Orange County, California, the price of gas is nearly $6 a gallon, and the price has gone up $2 a gallon in just 1 year. As a single working mom, I see the difference every time I fill up the tank for my minivan. I know that higher gas prices are painful for everyone in our country, and especially burdensome for families with limited transportation options and tight budgets. These higher gas prices are also pushing up the costs for small businesses and grocery stores, contributing to the higher prices that families are paying for everything from food to furniture. Orange County families need Congress to hold oil companies accountable when they use their market power to unfairly raise prices. These corporations are making record profits, the highest that they have been in over 7 years, even as Americans are struggling. They plan to use these profits to buy back over $35 billion in stock, rather than investing in production to increase supply, transitioning to green energy, or bringing down the price at the pump. The oil and gas industry currently has more than 9,000 permits to drill for oil on federal land, but they are deliberately keeping production low to please their investors and increase their short-term profits. Even when the price of crude oil falls, oil and gas companies have refused to pass those savings on to consumers. Let me be clear.
Several House Democrats have just introduced a bill that would make the monthly $300 child tax credit expansion permanent. President Biden thinks that the legislation could pass the Senate. However, it is possible that it will face Republican opposition. According to Insider News, the measure was unveiled by Democratic Representatives Rosa DeLauro, Susan Delbene, and Richie Torres. In a statement, DeLauro said, "We must use this moment to pass the American Family Act and permanently expand and improve the child tax credit by increasing the benefit to families and also providing payments monthly. Children and families must be able to count on this benefit long after the end of this crisis." President Biden's $1.9 trillion stimulus package that was signed into law in March actually expanded child tax credits to $3,000 for each child aged between 6 and 17, and $3,600 for each child under the age of 6. Under the law, the Internal Revenue Service was able to send payments as monthly $250 or $300 checks, depending on the age of the child. Single parents earning $75,000 or less and couples earning $150,000 or less were entitled to receive the full amount. The larger figure was reduced for those that earned over the threshold. But many lawmakers in Congress have made it very clear that they would like to make the enhanced child tax credit payments permanent. Democrats use a budget process called reconciliation to pass the latest stimulus bill through Congress without any GOP support. But the process can only be used once every fiscal year. So it is possible that the Biden administration would use reconciliation to pass a fourth stimulus package. Democrats have just 50 votes in the Senate, which is a slim majority. This means that all Democrats must support the legislation in order for it to advance through the chamber. So, my friends, should the Democrats use the budget reconciliation process to get the bill passed? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. We have a new data report from AAA Gas continues to reach new highs, with average prices hitting a record $4.56 a gallon on Wednesday and topping $6 a gallon in California. It is the state with the highest prices at the gas pump, according to Wall Street economist Ed Yardeni. That's taking a bite out of the consumers' budgets, with a typical household spending at $4,800 on gas at an annual rate. That is a 70% jump from a year ago. A year ago, U.S. households spent about $2,800 in gasoline each year. Now, many economists are asking, how much pain at the pump can consumers take? That is a question that has wide-ranging implications for the U.S. economy, given that the consumer spending contributes 70% of gross domestic product. Wages are not keeping up with the surging gas prices and grocery prices, as well as the highest inflation in 40 years. And many households say that they're cutting back on eating out and impulse purchases as a result of this. Consumer sentiment dropped almost 10% in May, with Americans' assessment of their current financial situation at its lowest point since the year 2013, when the economy was struggling in the aftermath of the Great Recession. Yet, many consumers continue to spend, likely due to personal savings that grew during the crisis. So during the past 2 years, multiple rounds of stimulus payments and cutbacks on travel and dining out, while the economy was locked down, helped bolster the personal savings rate. But there are signs that consumers' budgets are struggling to handle record gas prices and this very high inflation. Economists have shared that consumers are charging more on their credit cards. Friends, please let me know in the comments section below how much 1 gallon of gasoline is in your area. Friends, the keyword for this video is sunflower. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, and then comment below this keyword, which is sunflower, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And just make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Remember, friends, that the more often you comment below a keyword on a video, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. Well, my wonderful and amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so very, very much for everyone who's watching and who has joined me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. The winner of Wednesday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Lisa de Oliveira. Congratulations, my friend. Please note, if I have announced you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.